Beyond accent, the real secret to being more native. Learning English involves more than just memorizing words and grammar rules. It's an exploration of culture. If you're learning English, especially to blend in with Americans or communicate easily with native speakers, understanding American customs is essential. You see, the English language and American culture go hand in hand. When you learn English, you're also discovering the ideas and traditions of the people who speak it. In this video, I'll provide you with 10 cultural insights to help you grasp how Americans express themselves and think. This way, you can form stronger connections with native speakers and feel more comfortable interacting with Americans, and they will feel more comfortable interacting with you. Number 1. Respecting personal space and eye contact. In the United States, unwritten social rules guide how people interact. Personal space, the invisible area around individuals, is important. In casual talks, a distance of about 1.5 to 2 feet is usual, about half a meter. But in formal places or crowds, this space might be smaller. Also, looking into someone's eyes is a strong sign of being engaged and honest. Yet, it's important to find a balance. Too much eye contact can seem aggressive. For example, in a job interview, maintaining some eye contact with the interviewer shows confidence and interest. But avoiding it could suggest discomfort or not telling the truth. Number 2, building connections through small talk. Small talk, seemingly trivial chatter about weather, sports, or shared experiences, is a cornerstone of American social interactions. This art of small talk serves as a bridge to deeper conversations. Engaging in light banter while waiting in line or during brief encounters demonstrates friendliness and can lead to unexpected connections. Imagine waiting in line at a coffee shop. Engaging in small talk about the weather or complimenting someone's choice of drink can pave the way for a more meaningful interaction. The ability to engage in such conversations creates a sense of warmth and belonging. Number 3, embracing America's diversity. One of America's most defining characteristics is its cultural diversity. The melting pot metaphor is reflected in the varied ethnicities, religions, and backgrounds of its inhabitants. Embracing this diversity involves treating all individuals with respect, regardless of their background. Engaging in conversations with an open mind and avoiding generalizations fosters an inclusive atmosphere. For instance, consider a multicultural workplace where colleagues celebrate various holidays. Demonstrating an understanding of and interest in these celebrations shows respect for the diverse identities within the group. Being aware of culturally sensitive terms and avoiding stereotypes showcases your commitment to embracing differences. Number 4, punctuality matters. In American culture, time is a precious commodity. Punctuality is a sign of respect for others' schedules and commitments. Arriving late to appointments, meetings, or social gatherings can be perceived as inconsiderate. Imagine you're invited to a business dinner. Arriving at the designated time shows your appreciation for the host's efforts and contributes to a smooth flow of events. Punctuality conveys professionalism and courtesy across various contexts, be it business meetings, classes, or social engagements. Number 5, a communication style that is direct yet polite. The American communication style values directness. Expressing thoughts and opinions candidly is seen as efficient and honest. While this approach fosters clarity, it's crucial to balance directness with tact and politeness. In a professional setting, providing constructive feedback directly helps colleagues understand expectations and improve performance. However, Framing feedback with positive aspects and offering suggestions for improvement maintains a collaborative and respectful tone. Number 6, tipping and dining etiquette. Tipping is an integral part of American service culture. In restaurants, bars, and other service establishments, tipping around 15 to 20% of the bill is customary. It's an acknowledgement of the service provided and a way to support service industry workers. When dining out with friends, it's common to split the bill equally or individually. If sharing the bill, calculate each person's share accurately. If you're treating a friend, clarifying that you'll cover the cost before the bill arrives demonstrates your intention and avoids any awkwardness. Number 7, using first names and embracing egalitarian values. Americans often embrace informality and egalitarianism. Addressing each other by first names, regardless of age or position, promotes a sense of equality and approachability. This practice fosters open communication and collaboration. In a workplace, using colleagues' first names while collaborating on a project or discussing ideas creates an atmosphere of mutual respect. It encourages active participation and flattens hierarchical barriers. Number 8, navigating conversational landmines. Navigating sensitive topics like religion, politics, and personal matters requires cultural sensitivity. While discussing these topics can lead to engaging conversations, they should be approached with caution, especially with acquaintances or in unfamiliar settings. Suppose you're at a social gathering and someone brings up a political issue. Listening actively and engaging respectfully can lead to fruitful conversations. However, if the discussion becomes heated or uncomfortable, gracefully steering the conversation toward neutral ground maintains a harmonious atmosphere. Number 9, initiating conversations and connections. Taking the initiative to start conversations is welcomed in American culture. Whether in a classroom, workplace, or social event, introducing yourself and engaging in a friendly chat opens doors to potential friendships and professional connections. Imagine attending a networking event. Approaching someone and initiating a conversation about shared interests or the event's theme can lead to valuable connections. Being proactive in such situations showcases your interpersonal skills and demonstrates your enthusiasm for engaging with others. Number 10, expressing personal opinions and preferences. Individualism is a core value in the U.S., emphasizing personal freedom and self-expression. It's acceptable and even encouraged to express your opinions, preferences, and unique characteristics openly. For example, participating in group discussions at a university allows you to share your perspective on a topic. Expressing your individual viewpoint, supported by evidence and thoughtful analysis, enriches the conversation and showcases your critical thinking abilities. In conclusion, American cultural nuances provide a variety of conventions and expectations that shape interactions and relationships. By understanding the significance of personal space, mastering the art of small talk, respecting diversity, valuing punctuality, practicing direct communication, embracing informality, demonstrating cultural sensitivity, taking personal initiatives, and celebrating individualism, English learners can seamlessly integrate into American society. These nuances form the heart of cross-cultural communication, creating bridges that span language barriers and fostering connections that enrich lives. As you navigate these cultural waters, remember that each interaction is an opportunity to learn, grow, and contribute to the vibrant mosaic of American life. Thanks for watching. Please support this video by giving it a thumbs up. Leave in the comments the tip you liked the most. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and notification bell. Until next time, remember to enjoy the journey.